Small Employer of the Year, D6 Incorporated, Sulphur Springs, Texas.
Hello, my name is Ed Dominion, CEO and founder of D6. Our history started in 2014. I started the company as a rapid prototyping company and evolved very quick. We ultimately turned into the fastest rapid prototyping company in the world for food packaging. And after we did that, we evolved into recycling and manufacturing of food-grade packaging. We have some pretty big goals and ambitions to be the first carbon-negative packaging company in the world by 2025 to 2030. And our culture has been evolving over the years with 3 people, started 750 square feet to now hundreds of employees with millions of square feet under roof. So very excited about our culture and the movement that we're bringing in recycling, and glad to be in the great state of Texas.
Hi, my name is Jeff Elringer and I'm the Chief Sustainability Officer here at D6. D6 prides itself on the innovation we drive in this area and our commitment to sustainability. What really fuels my soul about D6 is our ability to help communities reduce waste going to landfill and truly create a circular economy unlike ever before seen.
My name is Claudia Canales and I'm a proud lead pack. I teach the new employees how to pack, check the product, make sure the product is good quality. I like to work for this company because the opportunities that they have and the vision and the difference that we're making.
Yeah, hi, my name is Brad Swearengin, Chief Operating Officer here at D6. To thrive here at D6, it's really good to come in from the beginning to embrace our core values, really understand, the goal and purpose of what we're trying to do as not only a company, but to impact the community across Sulphur Springs and the world on our vision and goals.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth Jones. I'm the Director of Human Resources here at D6 Inc. So Workforce Solutions Northeast Texas has been a key partner for us here. With their assistance, we've been able to insert over 250 jobs here in the area, as well as over 10 million in salaries into the Texas economy. The wonderful thing that we have about the diversity here is we have education levels of all types. We have people who are entering the workforce for the first time, and we have people with levels of education all the way through college and or certifications. We are less focused on your education level and more focused on your ability to be coached and your ability to be a team player and your ability to really just commit to D6 and help us achieve continued success.
Yeah, we've always been really under the radar as a company, so to win this award as the Northeast Texas Small Employer of the Year, it really is a very proud moment for us and for all of our employees and the community here. We strive for success. Our people are very, very important to us. The community has been amazing. Texas has been amazing to welcome us with open arms, and couldn't be prouder of our team and the situation that we're in, and just excited for the future.
Congratulations, D6 Incorporated.